Man, what a beautiful day, folks. I thought, you know what? Time to bust out the canteen cup. Get out here in nature. Been too long. Way too long. Man, is this really growing up since I've been out here last. Holy smokes. Cool beans, man. Cool beans. Yeah, give you a little shot of the trail. Really nice trail. Sorry for the awesome cinematography. I think the other trail overgrown. I didn't even recognize it being back there. I must have missed it. But that's okay. We got a good spot up here we're coming up to, so we'll be tuned to Zoom. That right there, that's what I'm talking about. Heck yeah. I'm gonna get some stuff sorted out because I'm kind of hungry. I wish I would have brought a big trash bag. You know, I did the parking lots when I was here last time. I looked and it was decent. I come down here and there's trash everywhere. What a way to start the day. You know what I mean? Here we go again, folks. I'll get back with you a little bit. We got a couple fishermen down there fly fishing, so if you hear somebody in the background, that's who it is. A couple young fellas, real nice guys. I met them. So, well, let's see what we got. Well, folks, my company left. So, I think I found me a spot. It's nice and peaceful. Nobody around. Be a good place to do some cooking, I believe. Thank you, Terry Melbourne, for the canister from alcohol. I'm going to use my little Camel snuff stove, rope stove today. I do have my coffee press, but it's a little warm for coffee. Got a nice cool breeze. I think I'm going to stick to my ice cold Powerade Zero. Zero sugar, zero carbs, that's right. Yep. I recently jumped on no carb bandwagon, so today's menu, I've been eating a lot of veggies, and I'm telling you what, it's working. They got to be cooked for the most part because I have a hard time chewing them, but I got some chicken, some squash, some mushrooms, some zucchini. I got the chicken already seasoned and pre-cooked. I didn't bring any extra seasoning for the vegetables other than salt and pepper, which kind of bums me out because I found this stuff. It's pepper, garlic, sea salt, and something else in it. Oh, I can't forget Texas Pete. So, salt and pepper, I do have salt and pepper. That's a plus. At least I got that right. I love this Hidden Woodsman pouch. Possibles pouch. I carry my coffee, my creamer, extra lighter, salt and pepper seasonings. It's awesome. Awesome product, Malcolm. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this camera around, get situated, so you can kind of see what's going on. It's kind of hard, but I don't understand they don't have any picnic tables anywhere in any of our spots like this in our forest. And you see other guys making videos in the forest and they got picnic tables and all the laps of luxury. And then you get the old farts like me who's got to crawl around on the ground. It's all good. It's all good. You know what? At least I got to come out, right? That's the main thing. So I'll get back with you. Let me resituate things a little bit. I don't think I'm gonna, yeah, I better use my lid. I don't know, my grass might start fire, so I might have to put a grass fire out during this little process, so we'll see what happens. Considering all the rain we had, it sure seems to be pretty darn dry. Get them to lock in. There we go. All right, I'm gonna get some stuff out and get ready to do some chopping up. There we go. Carolina Chris, thank you, my friend. Uncle Henry Charade limited edition. The 2-knife set. I won it in the Creative Outdoorsman's channel giveaway. Oh heck, at least probably 6 months ago. And I paid it forward to Chris, and so Carolina Chris shared it with me and sent me half of it. So I figure I'll put it to good use finally. I actually used it quite a bit, just not on camera, and I had to resharpen it and put another edge on it because it was getting pretty dull. I probably won't cook all these vegetables. I'm going to maybe steam them a little bit first. I've been eating this stuff like 3-4 times a week. I joined the no carb bandwagon, so not only is it good for my health, it's good for my blood sugar. My numbers are awesome right now. I cannot believe, with a little bit of willpower, how much you can do. And you know, they say I always thought, well, it's going to be so expensive to try to eat healthy. And it depends what you buy, you know. I'm not buying pastas, spaghetti sauces. I'm not buying bread, rolls, donuts, cakes, all that crap that's not good for you, that's loaded with carbs and sugar. And I've been just seasoning my food really well, and man, I'm telling you what, I actually love it. I usually cut the stuff up a lot thicker at home, like in big chunks, because I like the texture of it, like maybe that thick, because I really like the texture. But being in a canteen cup, there, that'll be good on that. I already have some portobellos, so I'll just throw a few of those in. And what I don't use, I can toss in for dinner tonight. There we go. Give this a little mix. I think I'm going to steam this a little bit. I don't have any oil. I don't have any water. Can you believe I come out here and forgot my oil, my water, and my good seasoning? So I'm just going to put a dab of water in there. Put a liberal amount of pepper. I like my black pepper. Salt, yeah. I don't usually eat too much salt. I usually don't even bother with it unless it's really, really bad. And of course, we gotta put a little Texas Pete in there. That's gonna help out, I'm sure. Oh yeah, look at that. Something to put that on because I think it was leaking a little bit. So I'm gonna get this fire going. I think I'll be all right. She starts to burn, I can put it out. I was gonna put it in the sand, but there's not a level spot. Really not a level spot to put it. I'm sure you can see that. Get away from my tarp. This Terra Hiker tarp I wanted to mention. I bought it for a ground sheet, and I was pretty disappointed because when I first got it, I hung it up after I got back to wash it on the line. I wanted to put a couple hitches in it to make it taut, and the eyelids ripped out of it. So I sent it back. I got a different one through Amazon, and they notified me about a month and a half later. Says, hey, we want to make this right for you. Will you accept another tarp at no charge? And I'm like, heck yeah. So I got another tarp at no charge. So I'm gonna give it a use and see how it goes. See what happens here. After that cooks for a little bit. I'll throw the chicken in, and then once that's warmed up, it'll be good to go. So yeah, this is part of the Little Muskegon River, and the gentleman that was just here fishing said, boy, it was they were down it a week or so ago, I guess, and they said it was awful. They had to get out of their kayaks constantly, and almost got stuck under a few logs, which is very dangerous. Adrian and I did it last year. We tipped twice, and we did a lot of walking and a lot of portaging. So this won't be another one that I'm going to be hitting anytime soon until the DNR gets through here and does a cleanup. They usually go through here once a year, or they give a canoe kayak club permission to cut out like 36 inches so it's wide enough to fit a canoe through, and then leave the rest of the debris behind. But they haven't done that yet, and it's been 2 years that I know of. Alright folks, I'll get back to you after this stuff gets cooking a little bit better. See how she's going here. Oh yeah. Tell you what, man, that little rope stove goes really good. And it's hot. It goes really good. Darn near burned myself, John. Pay attention a little, buddy. Oh yeah. Salt, pepper. Got that Texas Pete boiling in there with the juices. Oh, buddy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Now I'm going to put my chicken in there. Oh yeah, heck, I forgot I did some green peppers ahead of time too, because I know they usually take a long time to get softened up. I'm not that crazy about crunchy peppers. I know, I'm fussy. But and all that stuff was cooked with all the seasoning, so it's gonna be good. I'm sure it will be. Man, that stove cranks. Wow. I had to take it right off there. Oh man, a piece of chicken. Oh well. Can't be letting that go to waste. Come on now. I'm gonna put it on sideways because it doesn't need to be wide open. Yeah, I'll just put it on partial. So, all right, I'll get back when it's all done. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's gonna be good. Yeah, buddy. Sport my Bill Gelly shirt today. Oh yeah. Man, it's so nice and peaceful out here. But that's the kind of stuff right there you got to contend with down this river the whole way. It's a shame because it's a beautiful river. Beautiful little river. Alright folks, I think I'm going to plate this up and give it a taste test. What do you think? Alright, I'm going to let that stove just finish burning out. Oh yeah. Look at all that yummy yummy. Heck yeah. I'll have to put a little more of that juice on there. Can't forget them guys. All right. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Here we go. Hope I don't fern bark it. Piece of chicken. Matter of fact, it's a little warm. Try this chicken out. Oh yeah. A little pepper. A little portobello. Man, is that good. A little more. That, well, actually, Texas Pete should put it right in tune. Try some of the zucchini, some of the squash. If you want another version of this recipe, I just watched a video yesterday from a good friend of mine, Helga, from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and she made her version, and it looked really good. Yeah, check her out. She makes so much good food, and a lot of low carb meals too. Well, I'm not going to sit here and have you watch me film my face, so I get done, get all packed up here, and I'll get back with you. Well, folks, it was good. Good lunch. A lot of shade. Nice shady spot. But, well, see you later, River. Little Muskegon. I left no trace. Too bad I couldn't say the same for the pigs that left all this trash around. So, needless to say, I do believe that's what my next video is going to be about. Coming back down here and picking up trash. Isn't that nice? Gotta do it. Yeah, this used to be all mowed back here. There's a spot way over there by that cutoff pole. There's a little spot right there for camping. Yeah, the DNR just gave up on it because people just trashed it. It's just a shame. That's all right, I guess. I still had a pretty good afternoon, man. Spent some time out here. Got some quiet time. Other than a couple fishermen, young gentlemen, no, they're real nice. And yeah, good times. So back to the Danger Ranger, head home, do my dishes, get a shower, get all this bug spray off, and kick back and relax, I think, for the rest of the afternoon. So I'll probably get with you there when I get closer back to the truck. I don't want to bore you just walking through the woods. It is pretty out here though. Man, it feels good to get out. Alright, folks. I'm going to turn this thing off and head up the trail. Folks, I made it back to the Danger Ranger and got loaded up. Really enjoyed myself. It was really nice. It's pretty peaceful out here. Consider the interstate's not even a mile away. It's pretty quiet today. It's pretty thick in there. But anyway, folks, hope you stuck around, hope you liked it. I know it's been a while, I'm sorry. You know, life moves on. Got to do with what you got to do. And things are going good. I don't know if I mentioned it. I've lost probably a good 10 pounds so far in the last 2.5 weeks. I haven't weighed myself this week. Saturday will be 3 weeks. But I don't own a scale, so I'm just going for it, you know, just by the way I feel. You know, if I feel good, I've been eating right, I'm not cheating, not one bit, and it's killing me. But you know what, it's getting easier as days go by. So anyway, folks, thanks for coming along. I really appreciate it. And everybody, take care. And God bless as always.